Artificial intelligence in healthcare, robots as your next doctor? AI is everywhere, but could it replace your doctor someday? Let's look at how AI is changing healthcare. Why did the AI doctor cross the road? To analyze both sides of the patient's symptoms. AI Diagnostics. AI can analyze large datasets, helping doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. Robotic Surgery. Surgical robots assist in precision surgeries, allowing for minimally invasive procedures. Virtual health assistants. AI-driven chatbots can answer patient questions and even perform initial diagnostics. Drug discovery. AI speeds up the process of discovering new drugs by predicting successful compounds. Patient data management. AI systems organize patient records and streamline administrative tasks. Predictive Analytics for health. AI can predict outbreaks or patient risks based on health data trends. Telemedicine. AI assists remote diagnosis, making healthcare more accessible, especially in rural areas. Wearable Health Tech. Devices like smartwatches track vital signs and can alert users to health anomalies. Personalized treatment plans. AI tailors treatments based on patient-specific data for optimal outcomes. Mental health support. AI chatbots and apps provide mental health support, analyzing mood and behavior patterns. Improving radiology. AI can identify issues on X-rays and MRIs, reducing the workload for radiologists. Ethics in AI health. Using AI in healthcare raises questions about privacy, decision-making, and accountability. Future of AI-driven hospitals. Hospitals could one day run on AI systems, from diagnosis to treatment to recovery. AI in healthcare is revolutionizing diagnosis, treatment, and patient management. Although ethical concerns persist, AI holds promise for more accessible, efficient, and personalized healthcare. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.